Hi guys, it's Beatty. Today we're going to create an anime girl makeup look inspired by these contact lenses. Let's get started. I will do my foundation as usual, except I'm going to use a lighter color than I normally use. I normally mix these two together to get a shade depending on my self-tan level. This time I'm just going to use the light one. But primer first, because not to prime is the crime and we don't want to go to prison. Unless you want to, then don't prime. But makeup police will come for you. To be honest, I don't even know how I'm going to do this. For starters, I don't have the right face anatomy for this makeup to look good, so it's actually going to be very hard for me to resemble anime girl in any shape or form. My eyes are very hooded, so that is against me in this kind of makeup look. Whoa, this is whitewashed. Well, we're trying to do anime makeup, which they do normally have light foundation on. They do like a pale face. I do have to admit, I hate a pale face like this on me. Whenever you're doing concealer, don't forget here. Otherwise, panda eyes. Oh, I am a poet and I didn't even know it. I missed that. I used to do it a lot. Why did I stop it? Probably because it was stupid. So I'm just going to spray setting spray to hold this in place for now. I'm going to do the blush right now. They put it really high on the cheeks, almost like under the eye basically. Or I want to put it on the apple of my cheeks so badly, but I can't because it goes under the eye. The lunatic would do. And also goes on the nose. It just looks like I hurt my nose. Why do they do that? Now I look like I'm cold. I think that's enough blush. Let's start on the eyes. My contact lenses are red, so I don't want to do much color on the eyes. But I obviously want to incorporate red or like pink or peach in some kind of way. I have this palette that has loads of those kind of shades. So I think I'm just going to mix like a brown with some red, make like a weird brown red combo. Then I'm just going to take it on the back of my hand to leave minimum product on the actual brush. I know we're trying to make the eyes bigger, so the first kind of course of action would be to do this, like basically give yourself like an under eye bag of weird pink brown color. Okay, this is so strange. Look at the difference. This is just so strange how this makes it so much more pronounced. Like the baby fat, eggy something. Is it a baby fat that they call it, or eye fat? It's just eye fat, I guess. No, I don't know which colors I picked up. I need to go like this again. Was it this one and this one? It wasn't, right? Oh, I get it. I'm so dumb. I don't know how to do this. So you don't know how to do this with me, basically. I'm going to do a sweep here as well of this weird color. Yes, I could use another brush, but also I don't really feel like washing my brushes, to be honest. Basically, this makes the eye looks like it has a pink eye. I don't think this is how it's supposed to be, but I'm going with it. If this comes out looking good, then I'm the queen of makeup, because I have no idea what I'm doing. The eye is pinkified. Now I'm going to pick up this, should be highlight color, I guess, just with my finger, just to put it on the eyelid. The pictures I've seen, they had nothing on the eyelid, but I don't think I can do that. I'm gonna put this into the corner as well. Okay, looking cute. I'm sure once the eyeliner and the lashes are on, this is gonna look amazing. This one, and I'm going to kind of make more definition here on the bottom. I actually did something. Okay. Now I hope that the eyeliner doesn't screw up everything, because I think I actually like the way this looks. Let's do the eyebrows before we do anything else on the eyes, because I'm scared I'm gonna screw them up. All the reference photos I've seen, anime girls had black eyebrows and they were just like a thin line. So that's what I'm going to attempt, but I'm not gonna use black. I'm gonna use dark brown pomade. Don't be alarmed by the way this is going to happen. Oh, we're back in 2016. I mean, I can't really do anything about that. This is how it's going to be. Okay, they look a little better with the front feathered out. See, problem solved. That's just one problem. Next problem is the eyeliner, which I'm dreading. I don't know how to do this. This is too much for my brain. Also, I don't have clean eyeliner brushes. I will need to wash some. So annoying. What do? Pick a brush that's dirty, wipe it on my hand and just pretend it's clean. I want to do it properly, but I'm also so lazy. Just pick one that's dirty. I have some black gel liner mixed up and ready to go, and an angled eyeliner brush. If I want to look like a cartoon, then I cannot start from the corner of my eye. Or maybe I should do the bottom first. Oh, no. Just, I can hear the eyeliner drying. Okay, I'm just gonna do this. If this is wrong, I don't care. Don't tell me. See how hooded is my eye? So freaking annoying. Obviously, this line will need to be thick as fuck. This is not bad. I know it looks bad, but there's a concept. Oh, and there's also hooded eyes. I guess I'm drawing eyeliner there too. What should I do? Just cover my whole moving eyelid in black eyeliner then? Because I'll do it. When I open my eye, none of this is gonna be visible anyways. But I want an anime girl eyeliner. Can you see where I'm going with this? Or this is stupid? I mean, don't answer. It's probably stupid. Okay, wait, but this kind of slays. Except of my hooded eye just making another mark there. To be honest, you can't even see it. I think it's better if I just paint it there. I'm sure Picasso didn't have to deal with this kind of bullshit. I think we can invent a new eyeliner shape. Fish liner. Let me do this. I'm not painting it like a triangle because this basically supposed to be like, you know, this is how they drew my eye. If I would be the anime. I'm so clumsy. Now I'm going to take a white eyeliner, and this one has a little sparkle in it. Okay, I'm not sure if this did anything. Probably not. This eyeliner is not really white. It's like milky. Not really showing up here. Okay, it kind of shows up, but also kind of gray. I'll use Barium's Dazzle Dust. It's kind of like a loose eyeshadow. Ooh, I forgot how much dazzle is in this dust. I believe we are accomplishing an anime eye. Whether on the beginning it was just ridiculous. Just gonna fun brush it on top of my blush. It looks so cute. Time for eyelashes. I'm thinking if I cut up one of those, this might work for the bottom lash. And then I'm going to stack this one and this one together to make one huge lash for the top line. I hope it's going to look cute. That's all I'm hoping for. I made it longer by stacking the two on top. I have never had eyelashes so big on my face. I kind of feel like Trixie Mattel's daughter. Yeah. Actually, I'm not gonna lie, this is quite cool. I can't wait to put the contacts in because that will just tie it all together. For lips, all of the references that I looked at, they didn't really have a full-on lip. They did have like a bottom lip sometimes, and sometimes the top, sometimes extended on the sides. This is what I'm going to do, and then it's like a dark red in the middle and then goes to like a pink. I also just realized that I didn't do the bottom eyelashes, so now we're going to go in a very annoying order and have half a lip done, then put the bottom eyelashes and finish off the lip. These look kind of weird, but I think they just look weird in general because I'm putting them on my cheek. I have to admit, now that I have the other set of lashes on, it looks less stupid, but it still looks stupid. Do you know what I mean? By the way, how cute is this heart? Now for the lips, I'm going to use like a... This is kind of a liquid lipstick, but not really. I mean, it is, but you're gonna see. So I kind of smudged it. And now I'm going to put only on the inside more. Wait, this kind of looks good, right? I think this kind of looks like it's supposed to look like. Do I put a gloss on this or am I not allowed? Because I kind of want to put this on. I like this velvety texture, but also I'm kind of addicted from gloss. If I mess this up now, then nothing, because I didn't, and this looks so cute. Let's do some subtle contouring. A little bit of cheekbone, really not a lot. Forehead won't be even visible, but still. Just the tip of the nose. These are Kohl's contact lenses. I think these will be perfect for this look. They're called Anime Bling Red. If you don't like people putting things in their eyes, please look away now. This looks so freaking cool. I look so cool. Time lapse of doing my hair. I tried my best to recreate like a anime looking hair. I hope this works, at least for this look. The contact lenses definitely complete the look and make it just over the top incredible. I do have some discount codes from Kohl's for my subscribers, so I can use either or for your discount. And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed. Subscribe to my channel for more makeup videos. Hit the thumbs up if you liked the video, and I'll see you next time. Of the gradient effect. My light died.